Well, folks, there's a new study out. It suggests that 80% of all jobs are going to be affected by AI, and many of the top tech bros are now calling for a pause on the development of AI because of it. If we were talking about societal breakdowns due to technology, there's a lot of talk these days about how AI, this is going to impact lives. Well, it's going to cause, if we're talking about social dislocations, ChatGPT could certainly cause, AI could certainly cause serious social dislocations, obviously. It's coming. The question is how we adjust to it.
From factory jobs to skilled workers, down to routine jobs, it seems AI is coming for our jobs. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace, and artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of that change. As we move into the future, it's hard to deny the fact that AI will replace a lot of jobs. We can already see it happening. It has begun. But don't panic. You still have time to prepare for this change and maybe learn new skills that will make you irreplaceable. To do that, you need to understand what this stunning AI can do, so you can prepare adequately. That's exactly what we'll be covering in this video. I'll show you 5 examples of jobs that AI has and can easily replace. So buckle up, because it's about to go down. Automation has already replaced many jobs in factories and warehouses around the world. Over the years, we've seen a gradual movement from human workers to robots in commercial spaces. Robots can work 24/7 without rest, never get tired or call in sick, and can do the job with far more precision than humans. As a result, human workers have been left with fewer options. I mean, it's tough to be replaceable or find a job when machines can do the work better and cheaper than people. This time around, it's not just factory workers that are at risk of getting displaced by AI. In fact, up to 47% of all jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI within the next 20 years. And it has already begun. So, will you be replaced by AI in your line of work? Watch this video to the end to find out. So, the AI in question is the intriguing ChatGPT that has roped millions of users, again with zero costs applied to its usage. It's no wonder employers have no problem using it. The thing is, ChatGPT could potentially deprive 4.8 million people out of work. Now brace yourself, because it gets crazier. A user asked ChatGPT to reveal the jobs it would replace. Guess what? It did. Oh, it doesn't end there. Not only did the chatbot give the jobs, but it also gave the human traits being replaced. Talk about scary stuff. Let's talk about some jobs AI will replace. And, of course, trust your AI bestie to show you how you can take advantage of this technology to pivot your role and advance your career. So, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content like this. The first on my list is probably the scariest of them all, which is computer programmers or coders. If you acquired programming skills and, most importantly, work in an entry-level position, you should be worried. ChatGPT can write code faster and more accurately than human programmers, but that's if you input the right prompts. Not only can it write code, but this too-good-to-be-true chatbot can also translate and debug it. Thanks, OpenAI. If you're an entry-level programmer, chances are you're doing the groundwork for the senior developer to step in and continue. Also, if you're a freelancer making an income from Python scripts and web design, I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news. ChatGPT will be more responsive, accurate, and reliable than most human programmers. Let's start, for example, with a simple Python script to create an Instagram filter. And there it goes. What if I say, create a simple JavaScript website for my automobile company? Let's see. Voila! It just fires away. It even explains the code, giving me a step-by-step guide on how to go about it. Crazy stuff. Here's the good part. Coding is an incredibly vast field, so if you have 15 years of experience under your belt, you have nothing to worry about, because the AI writes mostly simple codes that serve a particular function. AI doesn't have critical thinking skills for complicated programming. So here's my verdict. Humans and AI will most likely work side by side. In this field, humans will focus more on the analytic and creative aspects, and AI will most likely take over mundane and repetitive tasks. Let's look at a more obvious one, which is content or copywriters. Of course, senior or top-tier writers are at an advantage. They have tons of skills and years of experience. But if you make your living by writing blog posts, articles, and social media captions, it's time to get a little more creative. It's not news that ChatGPT can create grammatically correct and readable articles. We should also note that OpenAI trains rather than program their AI models, so you can expect a more human-like quality to the written content ChatGPT outputs. Let's not forget that ChatGPT can write SEO-friendly content as well. I'll just show you. So here, I told ChatGPT to give me high-ranking, low-competition keywords for a blog post about Michelin tires, and of course, it did. Then I told it to write a powerful blog post promoting Michelin tires with those keywords, and voila! It gives me an eye-catching title and a readable blog post in seconds with the keywords. I mean, can you tell this wasn't written by a human? That's insane! But there's still good news. While ChatGPT can write amazing content like this, it still needs a human to edit and refine it. You can use this powerful chatbot to generate keywords and quality backlinks and write evergreen articles. Let the AI do the time-consuming groundwork. When that's done, you can now humanize the content. Go ahead and spice it up with your originality, flair, and creativity. The third on my list is financial analysts or advisors. It's no secret that AI can analyze and manipulate data faster and more efficiently than humans. Some financial advisors use AI to forecast better investments for their clients. But here's the catch. It can only do this as long as there are humans to interpret the data. As much as chatbots can provide financial advice, there will always be a need for human judgment and expertise. Only humans can give personalized advice to their clients based on their unique circumstances. The last job I'll be talking about is customer support. I know, I'm sorry, but it's happening. Already, many companies use chatbots to handle their customer support, so it's not a new thing. But let's see what ChatGPT can do. Write an email responding to a customer's query about receiving a faulty charger. Just look at that! With empathy and understanding, AI is fascinating. As AI continues to advance, there's no doubt that it will replace many human-held jobs. AI will and has started to infiltrate every industry on some level. I mean, ChatGPT is only a few months old and is already shaking up the workforce in some sectors. Unfortunately, some jobs will become obsolete, while some will thrive or work side by side with AI. Still, AI is not likely to replace a seasoned writer, financial analyst, or programmer. Entry-level applicants are at the mercy of AI, as they not only have to compete with their fellow job seekers, but now an evolving technology. The best thing to do is to focus on what AI cannot do. Work requiring intense thought analysis or creative and artistic work. Basically, be human. The AI revolution is here, and it can be scary, but it can also be powerful. The best thing to do is to educate yourself and know how to leverage the power of AI to skyrocket your career. So, go ahead and check out this video that shows you how to use AI to your advantage. See you there!